This video is the first of two videos where we will look into the VAPLeica Exchange service. This first video explains the following: what is VAPLeica Exchange, which instruments can use the service, what is needed, and getting started. The second video explains actually how to use VAPLeica Exchange. VAPLeica Exchange is a software service which allows the easy movement of data, such as measured data, design data, code lists and so on between users. Data can be transferred over the internet from the field to the office, or vice versa, or between users in the field. There are many advantages in using VAPLeica Exchange over other ways of transferring data, such as FTP, email or even Dropbox. These will become clear later. VAPLeica Exchange is supported by all instruments which run like Captivate: the CS20 field controller, the CS35 tablet, the TS16 and TS60 total stations, and the MS60 multi-station, and also older generation instruments running Leica SmartWorks Viva. In order to use VAPLeica Exchange, the following is needed: a MyWorld account, a VAPLeica Exchange subscription, VAPLeica Exchange Office software installed on a Windows PC, and a VAPLeica Exchange license key loaded onto the controller, tablet or total station, and of course an internet connection in the field and in the office. It's possible to try a VAPLeica Exchange for 180 days free of charge. How to do this will be described in this video. Now let's get started. There are 4 steps. The first thing to do is to register for VAPLeica Exchange. To do this, log into your MyWorld Leica Geosystems account and go to My Trusted Services. Here you can order a 180 days trial subscription by pressing the button. Or if you have already purchased the VAPLeica Exchange service, select the button Add Service and type in the subscription ID from the subscription form that you received upon purchasing VAPLeica Exchange. The Exchange service is now shown in the tab My Trusted Services. Once the VAPLeica Exchange service is registered, you have to assign all users who would like to use VAPLeica Exchange. In MyWorld, go to My Trusted Services and select the tab My Users. Select Add. For my example, I will add 2 users now, which we need later in the second video when I show the transfer between the field and office. We need to enter their contact information, a unique username and password. Users will use this username and password each time they access VAPLeica Exchange, either in the office or the field. When creating the user, we need to choose the trusted service that should be assigned to them and can therefore access. This is done by selecting the service from the left-hand panel and using the Add button to assign the service to the selected user. You can inform new users of their username and password by selecting the checkbox Send email to user with login details. I have already added the second user and also assigned the service to him. In order to use VAPLeica Exchange from a PC, the VAPLeica Exchange Office software is needed. This software is available from the MyWorld portal. Firstly, log into your MyWorld Leica Geosystems account. Go to My Trusted Services. On the My Trusted Services tab, select your service and press Details. Go to the Software tab, select the language and press Download. Press Run and follow the instructions to install the software. The VAPLeica Exchange app is pre-installed within Leica Captivate. On the CS20 field controller, total stations and multi-station, VAPLeica Exchange can be used free of charge for 100 hours. On the CS35 tablet, it can be used for 180 days. Once these trial periods are over, the VAPLeica Exchange license key must be loaded. This is done in the same way as any other license key and is explained in another video. Now everything is prepared to transfer data within VAPLeica Exchange. Please watch the second video in which I will show how to transfer data between the field and the office using VAPLeica Exchange.